All right, guys, it's Paul Singh, the market speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com. Today, we're going to go over the BRIC stocks. Basically, after there's been a big sell-off, and we had a big sell-off here in the market. We can see SPY here. This was Brexit back in late June. We had that big 2-day sell-off, and now we've completely recovered here. Anytime we get this where we completely recover or start to recover off a sell-off, I look for relative strength areas, relative strength stocks, relative strength sectors, relative strength countries and ETFs. Today, we're going to go over the relative strength ETFs, basically 4 different countries here that make up what we call the BRIC countries. That is Brazil, China, India, and Russia. Those have handled the sell-off pretty good here. So essentially, Europe has been lagging. The US market has come back really strong, and the BRIC countries have surprisingly done really well here. So let's start off here with the ETFs. Now, I always look at the underlying ETFs for my analysis. There's tons of ETFs that you can use. These are the key ones that I use. So it's going to be EWZ for Brazil, FXI for China, RSX for Russia, and INDA for India. These are not the ones I trade, though. I trade the triple leveraged ETFs. For example, here we can see EWZ is up 0.37% today. And this isn't really enough volatility for me to be interested in. See, since Brexit here, we've made a huge run if you look at these candles here, but really it's only been here from about 30 to 32, 2.5 points. Whereas if we look at BRZU, it's up 0.53% today. Triple leverage, it should be a little more, but these all don't always react exactly 3 times. They do have their own supply and demand here, but you can see the price has run from 95 here to 130. So really nice run with the trading vehicle that I like to use, and that would be the triple leverage. Let's get back to the ETFs here. If we look at EWZ, nice run here in Brazil. First of all, the pullback during the sell-off was not that strong, held the 9 really well. We got this hammer here, and it's just been flying ever since. So I'm looking for a good entry in EWZ. FXI is China here. Another nice run, handled the sell-off pretty good here. A little bit of a deeper pullback, but recovered very quickly at recent highs. Now we're consolidating in here. I'm going to look for a pullback to the 9 and a hold of the 9, or a break of this high would get me into FXI. And then Russia is RSX. We can see here, not quite as strong. Got hit harder on the sell-off, and this run-up hasn't been quite as strong either. Probably not going to play this one. There's nothing wrong with this. I could play it, but when I've got better options, why allocate my money towards Russia when I could pick better trading vehicles in China and Brazil and INDA, India? Kind of the same thing here. Got hit a little harder. The snapback has been good, but I think I like China and Brazil a little better here. Now, if we pull up the triple leveraged here, INBL, I'd essentially be looking for an entry here, which is a decent entry, and we'd be looking for a move to about 57.5, where I like to take a partial. Then I'd try to play through the breakout. EWZ, here I'd be looking for a pullback to the 9 or a break to this level here, and actually I'd be trading BRZU, which is the same pattern here, but I'd be looking to enter here on a pullback here to 125, and then try to play through a breakout and see if we could get a 20 or 30 point move. And you can see this thing makes 30 to 35 point moves very easily throughout this trend here. So we're looking for that next setup, that next big run here. And finally, China would be yen. So FXI is the underlying, and we'd look to trade yen, which is a triple leveraged. Here, again, I'd be looking for the pullback. EWZ is probably my favorite, so I would trade BRZU. So we'll keep an eye out on this. It is on my watch list. This is part of the trade report focus list, and you can see BRZU is on that. These are my current positions here. I just took profits in Twitter and the gold miner short. Currently in Twillo, biotech ETF LABU, which we're up about 6 points, almost 20% here. AMBA getting close to our target here, and ERX is lagging a little bit, right around our entry level. So if you're looking for more, I'll be doing obviously some more free blog posts here. But if you're looking for more, you can go into the swing trade alerts page on bullsonwallstreet.com. Now you can sign up for the free weekly swing report, which will come out every Monday. So go ahead and put your email in there and you'll get a free report that kind of sets up the week. But if you're looking for more, for my trade alerts, the daily videos and watch lists, monthly plan $99 a month, the annual plan half off, only $5.99 a year. Then you can go, I'm not logged in, but you could go into the swing trader dashboard and that would lay out everything in the report. So I'll have a couple of new videos out for you guys next week. Stay tuned.